We figure we'd do this now before we do the exhaust. That way we can get it out of the way. Let me find our right size Torx here. I think we already have it out, apparently. Yeah, this guy, I think. So, yep. So that's a T45. And then the Allen, let's see what size. I think that was a 3/16.
Even these bolts have beauty rings on them.
Jeez, fancy. Fancy, fancy.
Hog.
It would give me a reason to get a brand new fender, though.
Oh, that's true. You are looking at wanting to replace it, but probably be nice to at least protect this one as much as possible.
You don't have the super wide tape, homie.
I know, right? I figured taking these two bolts out first would be best, and then take the two outer ones off next. That way you're not in here having to monkey with this while this whole thing's flopping around on you as things get loose.
What's going on? I can't use this shit.
Okay, so that's one bolt.
I guess I could have just taken a towel or something.
Yeah, you could have. But I like seeing you put a whole bunch of tape on a thing.
50 freaking pieces of tape.
So I'd probably just break it loose.
Shit was alright.
Oh, it was? That's a Harley thing.
See? Loctite. Does it have Loctite? Fucking Loctite, man. You have to. You don't have a Loctite? Don't ride behind somebody who doesn't Loctite their bike.
Yeah, otherwise you get hit with parts. There we go. Oh, it's just a little hanger. So we didn't have to take that off all the way, but I don't know about on your other one. All right, so just hold that in place.
Yep.
So it doesn't rock down and hit your fender.
See?
This?
Oh, look, we could probably go down with it. So I can move that. If we...
You think it'll feed through there? Ooh. Oh, yeah. That was so close. It made it, though.
Yep.
Yep, you're good?
Yep.
Perfect. Wow. That was a tight little squeeze. So I'd get your probably get your big bolt started. Which I don't have the right Allen for, but you might have over there. Perfect, thank you, sir. Get some chapstick on this.
Painfully slow.
Yeah, there you go. Go ahead and I'll grab the right Allen for down here. All right, so these are 7/16. So I'll just leave that loose, but much more snug. Let's see what we got going on over here.
Yeah, I think it's crossed it. I'm trying to.
You want me to check it? All right, let's see what's going on here.
Like a shorter, stubby Allen, or like a little ratchet Allen. You don't have ratchet Allens? They're on the. What size is this guy?
So. So I'm going to reinstall your spark plugs.
Do that.
And now we got to get the exhaust installed. At least the pipe. Or not the pipe, but the... Oh, I see. Put in the... Damn, you're getting all fancy.